Hi, what you're seeing on my screen right now is the Google Drive. I have a file here with a file name as image1.jpg. Now I will try to open this file image1.jpg. I will just click on that image, and because of no connection I do not see what is the image. To see this image or either to download this image onto my phone, I need to have an active internet connection. This could be one of the scenarios where each one of us could face whenever we do not have either a data or an internet connection. The files that we have saved on Google Drive, we may not be able to open them. In this video, I will show you how to access the files saved on Google Drive even when you do not have an active internet connection.
Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel.
If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos.
Also, don't forget to like and share this video.
Let's get started. Let me show you how I can access this file when I do not have internet connection. For that, when I have internet connection, let me first enable my internet connection. And when I have an internet connection, now just observe the file that I have saved on my Google Drive. You will see 3 vertical dots on the right side of the image. Just click on that and select the option that you see here called as make available offline. Once you click on that, the file will be made available offline. Now I will just show you, just click on the 3 lines that you see on the top left hand here, and there is an option called as offline. Click on that. Now you will see the image what you have in your drive is also visible here. Now let me turn off my internet and let me show you if that file is still accessible here. Now I have turned off my internet and let me click on this image under offline. Now when I clicked on the image, I see the image is still accessible even when I do not have active internet connection. This is how you will be able to access the file even when you do not have internet connection. I have already made this particular file or an image to access even when I do not have internet connection. I will go to the 3 horizontal lines on the left hand and I will go to offline, and I see the image available here. I will just click on that and I see my image is still available. That's it for this video. I hope you understood how to make your files accessible even when you do not have internet connection. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.